Good morning, good evening. I hope you're having good times all day long. How nice would it be if you were having a ride on a carriage like this on a beautiful day? Carriage, carriage.
K, K.
It's the sound of today's letter. Only it's not aspirated as much as its English counterpart. In English it is
K, K,
while in Arabic it is
K, K,
slightly aspirated.
K, K.
Please try it with me.
Pronounce the regular K
But
with slight aspiration. K, K.
as for the shape of the letter, it has something in common with the shape of this carriage. Here it is. It bears some resemblance to the carriage, right? Try to connect an image in your mind with the sound. Please repeat after me.
K, K,
Only slightly aspirated.
K, K.